just, hey, come here, boy. Come up, man. What did I lose, boy? Come up, my phone, boy. I'm gonna look at.
Turn my music high. JJ Sims.
I go to war, I fight for you. Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky.
Tell them.
I go to war, I fight for you. Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky.
Yeah, I'll make the impossible so possible. No need to.
You want to know my husband too?
Everybody, man, and they're welcome, and they're nice.
Coffee and chocolate, that's all Jamaican.
Yeah, you know everybody.
No, you say you want to know me, so I say, if you want to know me, I'm my husband.
Yeah, no, like, remember, so we come a man, we know you always do that, so we can, like, more just come down there, you know, show me and me did it, and me say, I stop to man this.
What is it?
We like,
You want to just come a mandibula, and me not to say you?
no, man, me like, touch up on your shoulder and say, hello, miss. But me like, did it, you know, after no time, me and say, me ready, me tell you my name. So when I look up on the picture, them, I say, oh, him, man.
So you just want to take me off guard?
Yeah, like you did it, you would have done one of your man, you don't know what part you would have, man, you don't have KC somewhere. So like, if you have to do something, man, we just come there and like, we just have to tell them something, like that. You understand?
Oh, your son, you alright?
Yeah, man, good man. What do you mean? I want to me. No, the video.
You sound like you get obsessed over me. You get obsessed?
No, not really, man. Not really. Me just like to talk with you, like, you know what I mean?
Anyway, me there, me and my husband. So if you go touch my shoulder, you go touch my shoulder too. Because we are going to do it together.
Welcome your husband.
Eh?
I know your husband is with you.
Yes, always.
Yeah, man, he never leave your side. I'm always respecting that. At all time. So, no, man, you know, easy, you know. No, man, you just like, not tell us, say, me just like your voice, man, I'm like, what you do? I mean, I think you did, you normally depend on that show before, don't you?
Eh?
You work with Dana before?
No?
Oh, think I did you used to work with Dana and think you saw the one, I think. So many that think notice, you know what I mean? But
Never work with her yet.
when we say meet you, like, you know, when we say meet you, you show them. And
Yes.
you know, I say,
You should tell him before you go on. Because if you don't talk to that obsessed person, you will never know what that person is thinking. A lot of persons, because I'm on a live stream, and a lot of persons are saying, don't entertain him, hang up your phone. And not say you do it, Jamaica this. You see me idiot? Jamaica this. When an obsessed person approach you, whether face to face or by your phone, you have to talk to that obsessed person if you know where they are think, which level they end up on, or what they really are deal with. You don't talk to the obsessed person then. You can never know what they might think or what they're up to. Trust me. Communication is very, very important. It makes you know a lot of things. And you can read a person's body language right through the phone. Trust me. Be me a fool? Me not eat that and I want to eat that. This is system like that so. Trust me. If me never talk to him, me wouldn't know say. He just want nourish for me there exactly. He just come and just stand up so and just watch me. He have good look while before he can touch my shoulder. Me wouldn't know say I pray that if me never talk to him. So right there and then me know no over position to myself. Cause me know what him up to. And him live a man to go be. So him live a man to go be. Him live a St. James. So if me I got St. James now, me always I got St. James. Me know the position myself or the program myself. You see me an idiot, me know reason why me I talk to him. Me no fool over yourself. You no think when you sit down and look for one fool yourself? Me an idiot, trust me. no fool. That sensible girl, this one of the long as a year. Sensible girl, this one of the long as so. Jamaica, this, yes, so me live here, so me come from. Me know where me I do, and me know where me I say. A lot of men out there have obsessed. Them have obsession. And if you don't talk to them, you don't know what they are thinking. You have to talk to them. Someday you hear them say, no entertain a loose conversation. You're a married woman. Stop entertaining this conversation there. Stop entertaining the conversation there. It's not a matter of saying you are entertaining a loose conversation. But me out there in the world, a lot of people know me when me don't know. You understand? And if I do not talk to them, this is what I really a galang down in here so. I want really a galang up here so. Me nah know. Me have a chat to them. You think me can just, hey, come here boy, come up my phone. What is that loose boy? Come up my phone boy. I'm gonna look sitting though. Boop boop. Hang up my phone. Yes guys, I'm coming to Montego Bay next week. I will be at Sam Shop Square. And come out guys to meet me at Sam Shop Square. I'm gonna be right there. Boop. The obsession knows he does to me I come. And he come and him lean up so he promise to lean up. He come and he promise to lean up and he come. He have it in my intention. But because me rush him and shot him over the phone, but don't know why I think or why I pre. You can't stay there. Eh? You're no idiot. Okay. I'll be very smart in this world. If you're not smart, you'll get knocked in this world. You hear? We are living in one crazy world. We are living in one crazy world. A whole heap of man sit down and them a watch and then see me come and then them rape me through the phone 100 times. And them just don't forget the great, grand opportunity to make their first move. Stacey Shaw, how are you feeling this morning, darling? How are you feeling today? Good day, Lynn Smith. You know what me I say, Opal? Alright. Oh, them are waiting for a great opportunity. You have to use wisdom. And it's not every situation you can deal with like say you're a hooligan or you're a bad girl. I mean, I met nobody in the phone beat me up. And when time not happen, I'm alone, I have to go stand up on my own grounds. And a whole heap of crazy people, some people where you see come on social media and them watch every day, they're mad, sick head, no good. They're crazy. You know, see the man obsessed. The man obsessed. Exactly, Jacqueline love to read. God call fool, but you not keep none. Oh, you have to be very smart in this time. That's why you hear me ask him, say, good afternoon, Nicolette. That's why you hear me ask him, say, so when you are going to meet me? Me and my husband are going to come. He don't want to meet no husband, he don't want to hear about no husband. Kind of that him talk about me want to hear about and him knows I'm married. But him want to hear about, he don't want to hear about no husband. I think you want to hear about no husband? Nope, no want to hear about that. You want to hear about me. Because me want me, not no husband. And he want to spend 30 minutes of reason. I say, well, we are reason 30 minutes, me and my husband have a reason 30 minutes. You understand?